The research and development speed of China's sixth-generation fighter jets has far exceeded the expectations of Western countries, even leaving the United States further and further behind. According to reports from multiple media outlets on December 26, the suspected third prototype of the J-36 fighter jet successfully completed its maiden flight on the 25th. This not only means that China's next-generation fighter jet program has taken another huge step forward, but also indicates that China has surpassed the traditional aircraft RD procedures and drastically shortened the RD cycle of military aircraft. External observers believe that benefiting from artificial intelligence technology and modern industrial capabilities, China is spearheading a revolution in fighter jet RD, adopting a new parallel development model that effectively mitigates risks. Media have noticed that the third J-36 prototype is not equipped with a pitot tube, also known as an airspeed tube design usually adopted in the testing of early prototypes to measure flight speed and other flight data. Considering that the first J-36 prototype made its maiden flight on December 26, 2024, and China has built 3 flight-test prototypes in just 1 year with the pitot tube removed, this means the project has completed the basic aerodynamic verification phase and entered an advanced flight test phase featuring system testing and flight performance optimization. The J-36 is not a traditional air superiority fighter, but an advanced aerial platform with stealth capabilities capable of conducting long-range air command and strike missions. It adopts the tailless Diamond Delta, a wing design fitted with 3 engines, which can maximize the internal space and minimize the radar cross-section. The fighter jet can carry a large amount of fuel, large caliber weaponry, and sophisticated sensor equipment. It is speculated that the current J-36 prototypes are powered by the WS-NC turbofan engines and will be equipped with the WS-15 vector thrust turbofan engines in the future, endowing the aircraft with super cruise capability. At the same time, it adopts a concealed exhaust system to reduce infrared signals. The J-36 has applied a series of cutting-edge aviation technologies, including serrated wing edges, flexible material skin, and concealed exhaust channels. This means that China has made significant progress in the field of flight control software. According to reports, the internal weapons bay of the J-36 can accommodate the PL-17 ultra-long- air missiles with a range of 500 kilometers, cruise missiles, and even air-launched ballistic missiles. In addition, the smaller side weapons bays can carry short-range air combat missiles for self-defense. Moreover, the J-36 is not designed for solo combat, but serves as a crucial node in a complexer combat system. It can integrate manned stealth fighter jets, autonomous combat drones, long-range sensors, and artificial intelligence command systems, forming a combat system that can adapt to various complex combat environments with highly efficient strike capability. As China's research and development of sixth-generation fighter jets advances by leaps and bounds, the U.S. sixth-generation fighter jet program seems to have fallen into a stalemate. The U.S. Next-Generation Air Dominance Program has been officially designated as the F-47, which is expected to make its maiden flight in 2028. The U.S. side is worried that China has clearly taken the lead over the United States in the research and development of sixth-generation fighter jets, which may result in a 3-year technological gap between China and the United States. Given that China's RD pace is still accelerating, this gap may even continue to widen. For the United States, a country accustomed to leading the whole world, this is obviously an unacceptable fact. Military analysts point out that it comes as no surprise that China's military industry has yielded more and more achievements after years of painstaking accumulation, which is inextricably linked with the rise of China's comprehensive national strength and overall scientific and technological strength. The United States and Western countries have always viewed the normal development of China's military industry through colored glasses, and are even reluctant to believe that China has military science and technology on par with that of the West. However, more facts have proved that the United States and Western countries must abandon such outdated notions as soon as possible, and recognizing China's scientific and technological progress is a sensible choice. The same applies to the research and development of China's new generation fighter jets represented by the J-36. Backed by a solid technological foundation, the research and development of new weapons in China has come naturally as a matter of course. It must be emphasized, however, that the upgrade of China's military strength is for the purpose of safeguarding national sovereignty and territorial integrity rather than serving the goal of global hegemony like the United States. Therefore, only those countries or forces with ill intentions toward China's rise will worry about the booming development of China's new weapons. For most countries in the world, the stronger China's military strength is, the more conducive it will be to world peace.